Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to export data from Pipedrive. Exporting data helps back up your records or share them with others. So let's get started. The first step is to navigate to the desired model. Log into Pipedrive. And to do that, you have to go to your web browser and look for Pipedrive CRM right here and click on the websites and log in using your account or your Google account. Now once in Pipedrive, go to the model you want to export such as contacts or leads. See them. You can export campaigns, contacts, deals. Let's select contacts here. Click on Leave Setup. And the second step is to use the export function. From here, look for options to export. Like you see here, you can import. Let's try something. We're gonna click on the export here, click on the three dots right here, and click on export filter results. It's here. And choose the data you want to include, such as custom fields or notes, and Pipedrive will generate either an XLSX file, which can be run by Excel, or a CSV file, which is a comma separated value. Choose an CSV format and click on export. Now the export will begin and it's finished, and click download right here. Now, after downloading the file, download it to your computer and verify the data. And click on it to examine the data, and you'll be able to view the data on Excel. And that's how you export data from Pipedrive. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.